Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
First, gather the Apple ID credentials used on the other phone. Sign in to iCloud, Com, or the Apple ID account page. You must have the password and access to two-factor authentication codes. If you lack access, request the code from the trusted phone number. Also note the device name or serial number from Settings General About to identify it. Keep a backup payment method and your bank phone number ready in case you need to contact them. Open iCloud, Com, and sign in with the same Apple ID used by the other phone. Click Find iPhone, then choose All Devices and select the specific device name. Choose Erase iPhone if you can, then select Remove from Account after erasure completes. If the device is offline, choose Remove from Account directly. Wait a few minutes for the change to propagate across Apple servers. Confirm the device no longer appears on your Apple ID device list before proceeding to card removal. Next, remove Apple Pay cards remotely from your account page. Sign in at Apple, Com, and go to Devices to select the specific phone. Under that device, choose Remove Apple Pay cards or disable Apple Pay for that device. Remove each card individually to revoke device access to each payment method. If you cannot remove cards remotely, immediately contact your bank to block or reissue affected cards. Finally, change your
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.